Gold has been breaking records left, right and centre in recent days and weeks as investors flock to the precious metal during these very uncertain economic times. Overnight, though, it fell $100 an ounce, but that's a mere hiccup, say dealers who sell the stuff, and of course they would. Roy Cohen is one trader who believes the price may eventually top $5,000.
Well, we believe it's got a long way to go. There's absolutely no way of knowing. It's more a question of how low can the currencies go. The US dollar has lost 90% of its value over the last 40 years, and they're printing money like there's no tomorrow, so, it could go a lot lower. So how high can gold go? It's anyone's guess, but we think it's going a lot higher than the 5,000 mark that's touted by some of the professionals.
More than 5,000 over what kind of time frame?
Well, over the next few years, but as I say, you can't really predict these things, but if the current fundamentals that are in place right now continue, which we think they will, then gold, the sky's the limit.
And we're not seeing some sort of gold bubble which might pop at some point?
Well, no, we don't believe so. We don't think that gold is a financial asset like other financial assets are that's been overextended. Gold is the real form of money. Gold is real money. When currencies were backed by gold and silver, there was a limitation on what governments and reserve banks could print because it was redeemable in gold. Since the world was taken off the gold standard, there is no limitation. And that's the reason why we've seen the meteoric rise of gold price.
So who's coming through your doors to buy gold at the moment? Who are the investors that you're seeing?
Mainly the very, very astute sort of investors that realize what's going on with currencies and want to turn their currency into gold and silver.
Any retail investors, though, who are perhaps up to date with what is happening? Are you getting the classic mums and dads investors coming in to buy an ounce or two?
Yeah, more than that. We get a lot of mom and pops coming in, and they're very worried about their superannuation funds, etc. They're in the stock market. They've taken a beating in their share portfolio, so they kind of looking for advice on where to put their savings, their life savings.
Roy Cohen, thank you.
Thanks, Roz.